Hi, in this video we are going to continue to look at how to use MySQL CMD prompt or shell in xampp. This is a list of suggestions how you should use this video. The notes for this video can be found on this website URL. It is case sensitive. It is loaded here, and if you click on the example 008, if you scroll down, go to example 008, click on that, you can look at the notes. And we had our xampp control panel, running. We had our MySQL database engine running, and we were in the shell from last video, and we had created a user called Harry and elbow monkey. Now we can go in and do some simple MySQL stuff in shell. So let's go in as Harry with the password elbow monkey. Okay, and I want to see what are the databases running here, so I type show databases. Okay, there are a couple of databases running, so I can actually use database and look at the tables. Okay, so let's look at MySQL database. You can say use MySQL database, and database change, you can say show tables. Wow, there's a lot of tables inside. Okay, one of the table that interests us is user table, so we can say describe user, which is a table. Ooh, this is a big table. All right, and one of the things that probably interests us is user and password. Okay, so let's do that. So we say select user, password from user. Oh, you can see that this user table contains the user, which is root, PMA, and the user we have just created, Harry, and the password is encoded, so you cannot really see it. Okay, so this is how to look at an existing table there. Okay, so if you look at databases again, you will realize there's a database called test. So if you say use test and you change database to test, and if you say show tables, there's no table there. Okay, and if you want to get out, you can say exit. Yes, you can exit. Okay, and if you want to get in, you can log in again. Okay, we are going to create a new database. Okay, so if you say show databases and you want to create a new database, which is shown here, called sample, and if you show databases again, you realize a new database called sample is created. And if you say I want to use sample database, obviously there's no table there, so if you say show tables, there's no table there. And if you want to create a table, so I'm going to create a table called domains, okay, and see what happens. So I say I want to create a table called domains, and I can actually hit enter key to go to the next line without executing the SQL command. as long as I do not key in a semicolon. Okay, so let's try that. So I want to create a table called domains, and a field called ID. This is an integer. It cannot be now, and it is auto increment. Okay, and that is my first field, and I can actually hit enter, go to the next line, and our primary key is ID. Another field is called domain. Another field is called sex. Another field is called male. And I'm done with this table, so I give a semicolon and hit enter. Okay, I created a table. So now if I show tables, I will see that domains is created. So if you describe domain, you will see these are the stuff inside. Okay, so if you select start from domains, obviously there's nothing inside, so you probably need an insert statement to insert stuff into the database. Okay, so this is actually a very simple demonstration of how to use the shell to perform basic MySQL database functions. You can do almost anything with the MySQL database in the shell. Okay, let me exit first. If you want to know more, you can always go to mysql.com. There's always documentations, okay, here, like reference menus and tutorials, okay, or you can just Google it. Okay, you can find cheat sheets and things like that, which is really useful. In MySQL commands, what they do. Okay. Of course, our focus is not about MySQL commands. Our focus is about how to create PHP pages to link to MySQL database. Anyway, it's a good place to stop. In the next video, we are going to look at how to change the password for root and things like that. Okay, I can close this. In the next video, we are going to carry on with other SQL commands. Okay. All right. Thanks for watching.